We are the heroes of horsepower. The everyday pit crew. Some of us were born like this. Others discovered their superpower along the way. But let's be clear, we're not just mechanics. We're detectives, magicians, scientists. We follow clues, conjure up the impossible, and live for those all-important eureka moments. We are hands-on and hands-off, working with models that are iconic, electric, even electrifying. We help build up those around us, or break things down so they understand. We are the heroes of horsepower, and we're building the future, one bolt, one spark, one idea at a time. So, shall we get to work?